Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for car rental in the Expedia application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the home button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the cars button. So first you have to set a pickup destination. And then you have to set a pickup date and the pickup time. And then a drop-off date and a drop-off time. And you can set if the two of them are the same. And if not, then just set the drop-off place as well. And then just click on the search button. And as you can see, these are the cars available. So if you click on one of them, then you will find detailed description on the car, on the price, and everything that you need to know. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.